Just put your video on the timeline and press play, and now you can see the background has been removed successfully.
The Cybdic Plus channel.
This is just a brief demo on how YourOwn VBGR video background removal works. Once you have the app open, there will be two ways to put your video in. You can get your video by using the select video button, or you can just drag and drop it in. I'm gonna be using the drag and drop way. Once you have put your video in, the processing will begin immediately. Once the processing is completed, your video with the background removed will appear in your output folder. Now you can put the video inside your video editor of choice. I'm going to be choosing Kdenlive, which is a free local and open source video editor. Shout out to Kdenlive for their awesome video editor. Once you are in your video editor and your video is in there too, just put your video on the timeline and press play, and now you can see the background has been removed successfully. To add a new different background to your video, just put the background you want on the timeline below the video, and yeah, that's it. You can get the app from the GitHub page. The link is in the description area. Thanks for watching.